Hey guys, it's Robyn here, and I'm gonna do an unboxing video, and it's gonna be so awesome. This is gonna be a lot of things that you did not ever seen it. I just have mommy's one video that it's a ring light, and this is what I have. Looks like a moon, but it doesn't. So it has a lot of things here, and there's like a scratch on, and I'm going to show you what's inside. And I have this one, this conditioner. They're right over there. I actually think that they want me to have more conditioner, and I have one. This it works, and little one and 2 cups and 1 white balloon and a ribbon. That's just something, and then blocks. There's a lot of blocks. I'm gonna get the blocks out so it doesn't get busy. And of course, you can't forget straws. So if you like have something. And I have this one, this soap here, Johnson's. And now I'm gonna show you the other one. It's color blue. See that? It's so awesome. And I did not have this before, and I have this now. I have these crayons. I have already crayons, but I have a lot of crayons. And I have papers. That's all what I have. And here's the boxing again. This is what it looks like. It's having fun.
Everybody put your hands in the air.
If you like this boxing time, when you didn't subscribe on my channel, just subscribe it. And then when you see my Snapchats or anything, you can just press this. When you see like this shirt, just comment below if you like this. You buy this somewhere, everywhere. And then these are my mom and sisters of my mommy. Sorry, they're so noisy. Oops, I can hear a laughing. So now, it's when you like my videos, just comment below if you like them all the time. If you don't, you can just I can make anything you want, and just make sure you do it.